Hello everybody, my name is Raihaan Jivan. Welcome to another Makeblock lesson. Today's lesson is Guess the Numbers. Let us take a quick review of what we learned in our previous lesson. In the last lesson, we played Fruits War together for the second time, helping the little monkey get a lot of bananas. Recall that we learned an important programming knowledge, the variable. Let's review the blocks related to variables. Do you still remember their functions? According to intelligence programming, we had seen that four blocks are added when a variable is created. These blocks are the set score to 0 block, which sets the variable to the specified value, change score by 1 block, which changes the variable by the specified amount. The show variable score block displays the value of the variable in the stage area, and the hide variable score, which hides the value of the variable from the stage. Yes, guys, you know what time it is. After coming back from Fruit Island, we met Panda again. He prepared a puzzle game to play with us named Guess Numbers. Let's take a look at Panda's really cool game. The rules of the game. 1. Click on the green flag to start the game. Panda randomly thinks of a number and then lets you guess. 2. Enter your number in the text box in the stage area. 3. If the number is wrong, Panda will remind you whether the number is big or small, and then you can continue guessing. Otherwise, Panda will remind you of the word bingo and show you the answer. How does Panda set the number in the game? How does he talk to us? Let's figure it out. In order to guess the numbers correctly, there are a few key programming skills that we need to learn. Let us take a look. How can Panda pick up a random number? How does Panda judge whether the number guessed is big or small? Let's find the answer by learning these new blocks. There are four main blocks that stem from the operators block area, which allows Panda to do this. These blocks are pick random 1 to 10 block, which picks a number randomly from the specified range. The A equal to B block. This block executes the subsequent script if the value of the specified parameter is equal to the specified value. The A greater than B block. This block executes the subsequent script if the value of the specified parameter is greater than the specified value. The join apple banana block. This block links the two values together and reports the result. Example, connect apple and banana to become apple banana. Let us take a look at an example. Start by clicking Events and select when green flag is clicked. Then go to Variables and make a variable named red envelope. Make sure to select for all sprites and then click OK. Now select Set Red Envelope to 0 and place it under when green flag is clicked. Thereafter, go to the Operators block and select the operator Pick Random 1 to 10 and place it in the Set Red Envelope to 0. Thereafter, go to Control and select the If-Then statement and place it under the red envelope to pick random 1 to 10. Now go to the Operators block and select the operator greater than 50. Change the value 50 to 5. Now go to Variables and select red envelope and embed it in the greater than 5 block. Now embed that block into the if-then statement. Now go to Looks and select the Say Hello for 2 seconds. Go to the Operators block and select Join Apple Banana. Go to the Variables block and select Red Envelope and embed it in the Join Apple block. Go to the Banana block and type in dollars received, how lucky you are. Embed this block in the Say Hello for 2 seconds and embed this block in the if-then statement. Once this has been programmed, go to the stage and run your program by selecting the green flag. Notice that when 5 is the condition, no message is received. When $7 is received, the message pops up. When $6 is received, the message pops up. When $4 is received, nothing appears. Can you code the rest of the conditions when less than 5 and equal to $5 are received? After knowing how to play the operators block, think about how to get the number entered by the player from the keyboard in Guess the Numbers. This requires 2 new blocks. These blocks stem from the sensing block area, which are Ask What's Your Name and Weight block and Answer block. When using Ask What's Your Name and Weight block, there will be a text box on the stage for the player to enter the content, and the content entered will be saved in the Answer block. Cool, right? Let us take a look at an example. Start by selecting when green flag is clicked. Then go to Sensing and select Ask What's Your Name and Weight. Place that under the when green flag is clicked. Now go to Looks and select Say Hello for 2 seconds. Place that under the What's Your Name and Weight. Now go to Operators and select Join Apple Banana. Go to Sensing and select Answer and place that in the Banana block. Go to the Apple part of the block and type in Your Name Is. Embed this block in the Say Hello for 2 seconds. Once this has been programmed, go to the stage and run your program by selecting the green flag. Type in your name and notice how the panda can recollect your name. Yes guys, it's hands-on time. Let us take a look at the Guess Numbers game. Notice that Panda has taken a classroom setup and has asked to guess a number between 1 and 20. Let us take a look at the requirements in order to program this game. Practical task. 1. Add classroom 3 from the backdrop library. 2. Generate a number within 1 to 20. 3. At the beginning of the game, the player is reminded of guessing the range of the number given by the computer and invited to enter numbers from the keyboard. 4. Remind the player whether the number is large or small. 5. When the player guesses the right number, the corresponding reminder is displayed and the game is over. These reference statements may assist in the programming of the game. These statements are: at the beginning of the game, guess a number between 1 and 20. Waiting for the player to enter, please enter a number. When the player guesses a wrong number, this number is less than or this number is greater than. When the player guesses the right number, bingo, this random number is. Task promotion. Try your best to enrich the gameplay. You can increase the difficulty of the game by limiting the number of times for entries and add challenge failure and other reminders. Give it a go. If you thought this game was cool, then let us share what we learned today. Share your project with everyone, including friends and family. Ooh, quiz time. Please try and answer these questions to check if you understood what took place in today's lesson. Thank you for joining another lesson on Steam Makeblock.